In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your draft posts on Substack. Whether you're an experienced user or just getting started, managing your drafts efficiently is key to maintaining a smooth workflow. We'll walk through the steps to access, edit, duplicate or delete drafts, and even sort and filter them based on different criteria, so grab your device and let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to your Substack home. This is the central hub for all your publishing activities, including where you can find and manage your draft posts. Once you're on your Substack home, look for the Posts tab. Clicking on this will take you to a list that includes all your posts, both published and drafts. Now let's focus on your drafts specifically. Once you're in the Posts section, you'll see an option to view drafts. Clicking on this will bring up a list of all your saved draft posts. This is incredibly useful for keeping track of pieces you're still working on or have yet to publish. For each draft listed, you'll notice 3 small dots next to the title. Clicking on these dots reveals a menu of actions you can perform. One of these actions is Edit Post. Select this option if you wish to make any changes or updates to your draft before publishing it. Another useful option available here is Duplicate to Drafts. Clicking on this allows you to create a copy of an existing draft, which can be beneficial if you want to branch off from an existing idea without altering the original content. Finally, if there's a draft you no longer need, you can simply click delete to remove it permanently from your list. To get more organized, Substack provides several filtering and sorting options. When you click on filter, you can choose to filter your drafts by various criteria: post date, audience, post type, section, or even by author. This feature becomes particularly handy when managing a large number of drafts, as it allows you to quickly locate specific posts. Additionally, you have sorting options to arrange your drafts. By clicking on the recently edited drop-down, you can sort your draft posts by newest or by those you have recently edited. Sorting your drafts can help ensure that you're always working on the latest content or reviewing recent edits efficiently. And that's it, you're now equipped with the know-how to manage and organize your draft posts on Substack effectively. Whether you're tidying up existing drafts or sorting through them to find just the right piece to publish next, these tools are sure to make your writing and editing process smoother. Thanks for tuning in and happy writing.